Introduction to the cross-brand intercom function operation of the Hero headset. Turn on the device first.
Welcome to use FreedConn product. Battery full.
In the standby mode, press and hold the multifunction button for 8 seconds to enter the mode of pairing.
Pairing.
The Bluetooth headset of the cross-brand device should also be turned on to enter the pairing mode. Then click the Hero Power button once. It will now connect to the headset of the cross-brand device.
Search network. Intercom disconnected.
The connection is complete, and now you can start intercommunicating.